You guys are literally not going to believe the words that are about to come out of my mouth. Get ready with me to go see Santa.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Hey guys, and welcome to another Vlogmas video. So today, this is so last minute. I'm seeing Santa in like 30 minutes. I know, right? I didn't sign up for this. My mom called me, was like, hey, are you ready? And I was like, ready for what? She said, to go see Santa Claus. And I was like, you're joking. And she's like, no, get ready. So, not only am I gonna go see Santa, I only have a little bit of time to get ready. So, get ready with me to go see Santa. I know I'm late to school, like, almost every day, but, like, other stuff, I don't like being late or last minute, too. They're little snowmans, guys. Look how cute. I wonder if I can wear them with that? Because that's what I'm wearing to go see Santa. Don't judge me, it's very last minute. Like, I want, like, at least, you should have told me last night. When she mentioned it, but I was like, Mom, I'm not going to go see Santa. You're joking. You're so funny. And that was it. That was the end of the conversation. And then I'm literally in my bed editing. And she's like, oh, are you ready? Ready for what, Mom? Or ready for what? What are you talking about? I don't know. I'm not doing anything crazy because I don't have that much time. And I remember last year, because we're going to go see the same Santa we saw last year. We just mostly do it for my little brother. Okay, I don't willingly do this anyways, but that's the whole reason I'm like, okay, I'll suck it up and do it. It's for my little brother. He's 8. Come on, guys. So don't judge me. You know what? Actually, go see Santa yourself. If you're judging me, you need a little cheer in your life. So Santa can fix that. But anyway, so last year we went and saw the same Santa. And I didn't want to do it last year either. I don't know. I just don't want to. And he asked, he's Santa. He asked me, what do you want for Christmas this year? Well, my mind went blank. I should have said Taylor Swift Eras tickets, because that's really what I wanted last year. But my mind went blank. And I was like, oh, I just want the family to get together and have a good time. He was like, okay, what do you really want for Christmas? Like, come on. Don't give me that BS. That sounds so bad, but, like, that's literally basically what he said, just in a, like, more Santa way. He's like, okay, like, come on, what do you really want for Christmas? Santa, that's all I want. Okay, so I got moisturizer, sunscreen on. There's that. Now we're gonna put some foundation on. This Christmas I need a concealer. That's what I need. My makeup bag got stolen or lost, or it was in the gym and I forgot it in there, and I've not seen it since. And I had my concealer in it, and I just refused to buy another one, even though I really need it. Other people probably think that too. They're like, golly, when was the last time you slept? Why am I doing this over here? I need to do it where the light is. Oh yeah, now I can really see it. A little switcheroo on you guys. Which honestly, running late to school every day, this has kind of actually trained me to do my makeup this way, and it kind of look okay. Okay, this is the foundation concealer thing I use. CoverGirl. And then we gotta do our eyebrows. Luckily, I just do a little gel stuff in them. I wonder how much Santa pays to get to sit there and just talk to kids. That sounds so weird. I wonder how much a grown man gets paid to talk to little kids. I'm just kidding. I'm not ruining Santa for you guys. I'm not that type of person. Sorry if I did. That looks pretty even. I think so. Actually, the more I look at it, it looks so bad. I can't believe this is my 3rd year doing Vlogmas. That's crazy to even say or think about. Everyone's talking about how fast the year went, and at some, like, I can kind of see that, but I also feel like in some stages of this year, I feel like, man, this year's gone by so slow. You know, it's been going fast and slow, depending on the month. And I can usually tell you if it's been a good or bad year, but I honestly don't know this year. 2023 was one of my more weirder years. A lot more new experiences and people. For sure. Oh snap. Crap, I'm sucking at this already. Okay, this is the gel stuff I use in my eyebrows. Dollar Tree. Eyeliner, Dollar Tree. Best mascara on the market. The thing about all the weird stuff Santa hears though. Like he's like, oh, what do you want for Christmas? Because there's so many crazy toys out there and stuff. I remember like when I was really into LPS, Littlest Pet Shop, Santa would be like, oh, what do you want for Christmas? I'd be like, LPS. If you like, I knew what LPS was, but for sure Santa did not know. He'd be like, oh, okay. I got that on my list. Buddy, tell me what it is. Tell me what it is. You don't know. Like, I bet he hears Minecraft and Roblox and Fortnite stuff, all that. Like, he probably knows what that stuff is, but, you know, I was one of the weirder kids, and I was getting a little bit more creative. I was like, LPS. I wasn't the only one, but, you know, I was trying to think of some other stuff weird kids could ask for. I was a weird kid, guys. It was really weird. I thought about wearing it, my Santa is a Swiftie shirt, but it's dirty. And Santa would be like, how'd you know? How'd you know that? Secret information. I'd be like, Santa, we all know you're a Swiftie. You're Santa. Duh. Who, what, you know, you're Santa. You gotta be Swiftie. I know people get so annoyed with me. Like, they're like, shut up, Justice. And I'd be like, no. Oh, like, listen to this, though, guys. Guess what happened to me this morning? My Instagram account got hacked. Yeah. I fell for one of those stupid messages. Because I believed the girl. Which in my head, I was like, is this a scam? But all I gave them was my phone number. And I thought they needed a little bit more to get into my account, but I got humbled. But luckily, I barely used my Instagram account. I just deleted Instagram because that's the second time that's happened. And I barely use Instagram anyways. So, okay, and my blush, I just use that pink in this festival palette. And this blush that doesn't have a... Oh, my mom's calling me. I'm almost ready. Should I just not answer? I'm not answering it. Sorry, Mom. I know you're going to be like, Justice, are you done? And I'd be like, Oh, wait, let me answer it, actually.
A few moments later.
I knew that's what she was going to ask me. She asked me if I was ready. And I said yes, because I basically am. I basically am. By the time she gets here, I'll be ready. Okay. Zipped up. All nice and secure. Makeup don't look too bad to be done in like 2 seconds. Gotta get my lipstick out of my apron. Of course, we're gonna do a red lip. Duh. Are we even surprised? No. Let's see. Oh gosh, can't see. Wonder if we could get a selfie with Santa. Wonder what he would think about that. He'd be like, get out of my face. And also, it's not even about Santa looking at me. Or like me. It's not even about me seeing Santa. It's about the Facebook post my mom's gonna make, because she has like 2 billion friends on Facebook, and like the whole family sees, and I don't want to look ghetto. Don't want to look ghetto in front of all over my mom's Facebook. There's already enough pictures of that. Okay, so we're gonna throw this on. This is really cute, honestly. This is like my great grandma's, and I think it's cute as crap. I don't care what people say. It definitely looks like something a grandma would wear, but I think that's why I secretly love it. I don't look too bad. It's like kind of like it's low key. Because I was doing too much. Oh my god. Yeah, this is giving grandma. We're not trying to. Okay, that looks cute. Okay, now do I want to wear a headband or this hat? Let's see what the hat looks like. Oh wait, that's kind of. Wait, I kind of dig that. Is this cute? I'm gonna watch my memo. Let's see. Hey, Mama, does this hat look cute?
Yeah, I love it.
Or should I wear a headband?
No,
I should wear the hat?
I like the hat.
Okay.
Personally, I like the hat.
Okay, well, you wouldn't do me dirty. I wear it. Oh, wait, or should I wear these? Oh, wait, these are kind of cute. I might wear these. Hang on, I think this is it. Hang on. Oh, wait, or should I wear these?
That you'd have to ask your mother.
Well, what do you think?
Well, it's a Christmas picture, so, well.
I think they could, because they matched the snowman on my little... I'll have to cut that tag off.
No, his hat's not standing up.
Oh, poor little
His
guy.
hat's not standing up at all.
Poor little guy.
No, it's just going over.
Poor little guy.
I don't know how you're going to get him to stand up. Take him off and I'll show you. He's not standing up at all. That's cute. Where'd you get that?
This?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's Emma Rose.
I thought it was too.
I say I don't think I would have bought this myself.
That's better.
Oh my gosh, yeah, look at you. You're magic. Oh my gosh, yeah, look at you go.
Yeah, he's standing up.
Now he is.
There he is.
He's thriving now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look. Got this little tag off.
Yeah. Looks better.
Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It'll look better.
Alright, I think I'm gonna wear them because it's a Christmas picture. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is more casual, this is more fun. I think I'm gonna use this perfume. This is my perfume for the month because it's about snowflakes. It's a Christmas. I got it for free, so.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, just saw Santa. I just asked for more Taylor Swift tickets because Taylor. Yeah, like we got a little treat back. It was cute. I think it was better this year than it was last year. Last year I was just like, hey Santa, I don't know what I want for Christmas. Okay, seeing Santa was a success. It wasn't as awkward as last year. That's why I was kind of dreading it because last year was so awkward. But this year it was chill. I just asked for more Taylor Swift tickets because I could see her 1,000 times and still not get over it. So yeah. But that's gonna be the end of this video. That's all I got planned for today that I didn't even know I had planned. But I love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, comment down below anything you want, and like this video. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.